Hey, I'm Aubrey from Aubrey Originals. In this video, I will be revealing the contents of the Summer Breezy Cricut Mystery Box. Though a select few bloggers called Cricut product experts were given this box, or at least a list of the contents, before it was actually released, and then they published that information as soon as the box went live on the Cricut site. So I'm not sure how useful my videos are anymore, because I still have to wait like all of you to actually order and then receive the box from Cricut. Anyway, you'll have to let me know what you think in the comments. This box was released Thursday, June 17th around 10:30 a.m. I was a little slower this time to catch it, but still managed to get an email notification out to my subscribers by 11:30, and there was still plenty of time to order the box at that point. I try my very hardest to get these notifications out quickly, and I have been successful for the last 4 Cricut Mystery Boxes, so I hope it's helping. If you want to sign up for those notifications, I will leave a link below, and you can also sign up for them in my blog post all about Cricut Mystery Boxes. Be sure to check that out if you are new to Cricut Mystery Boxes. Please like this video with a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new crafty content. Alright, let's open this mystery box. First is a roll of permanent vinyl. This is the Vanguard Sampler, and it comes with 3 different colors of the holographic bubbles. I'll be honest, this isn't my favorite vinyl to work with, but I am excited that it's a sampler pack this time. Next, a roll of removable chalkboard vinyl. I'm super excited to try this out. I think it will make some really fun chalkboard labels. Next, there is a roll of removable vinyl in Peachy. I feel like this is just a good neutral color to have on hand. Here we have iron-on vinyl. This is the Tea Party sampler. It has pink, red, and white iron-on vinyl. And this one is super fun. The Neon Glow Stick sampler, also iron-on. I'm picturing some fun summer projects, maybe an 80s tote bag or something. This is a pack of 30 gel pens. I would normally be super excited about this, but I already have this exact pack. Oh well, it doesn't hurt to have extra, or maybe I'll even gift it to someone. We'll save this guy for last. There is a pack of clear acetate sheets. It comes with 6. I'm excited to try making some treat boxes or something with this. I like these example pictures it has on the back. And finally, our Cricut Cutie. This is the Peach Kiss Cutie, and he is actually so much cuter in person. I'm totally that crazy person who just secretly buys the Cricut mystery boxes to collect these little pieces of colored plastic, and it's fine. It's fine. That is it for this box. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.